Hey guys, how are we doing today? So, before I get started, I wanted to have some real talk with you guys because I love being real on this channel and I love being completely honest. And we're going through the motions today, I should say. So, before I dive into the charts and show you guys what trade I was looking at, essentially what I was looking for in the markets, I just want to get real with you for a second. So, as you guys know, I can, analyze the charts pretty well, but I think the biggest thing for me is actually getting into the trades, and I'm struggling with entering into my trades. And I don't know if you guys are in the same boat, but for me, there's just something about actually entering into the trade. Even when I see my setup form, it's really hard for me, and I don't know why, especially because I have a strategy. I've back tested it. I know that if I just stick with it, it works. And it's funny too because back testing, even sometimes I'll not get into trade, and I just, for me, entering into my trade is just so freaking hard, and I do not know why. So I'm asking you guys for help. What do you guys do when this happens? What are some strategies you work towards? What is something you have done that has helped with this? Because I need some help. It is just crazy because I saw this trade today and I was like, fire. I saw 2 trades today and I was like, just take it. And I just cannot get into the trade for the life of me. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Let me know if you struggle with this too, or if I'm just alone on this ship
out here.
No, but for real, I'd love some tips. I'd love some pointers on how you guys dealt with this, on how you understand it, like what has helped you to get into your trades. And it's funny because like I'm doing a prop firm challenge, right? Like it's not real money, right? I just don't understand, the struggle is real. And I'm just feeling down about it today because yesterday too I had like really amazing trades that I was like so nice, and then they played out in my favor, but I was just unable to get into the trade. I don't know if it's like switching from different platforms, but for me it just feels like an endless loop because then I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm just gonna get into the trade, and then I feel like I get into a trade that I really wouldn't have taken, but I'm getting into a trade because I was unable to take that trade previously. So just something I've been thinking about recently, and especially today I've been feeling a little bit down about it, especially because the market has been playing out the way we wanted it to today, and this week even, like it's been kind of doing what we want. So it's just frustrating, and I am just frustrated. So if you have any pointers, let me know. Your girl needs some help, all right? Like I need some help. Thank you. Literally, I would love it. So with that being said, I'm gonna cheers this to you guys. It is my second cup of coffee and it is well needed. So thank you. I'm not gonna spend too much time talking about this trade because I really want this video to just kind of be like a self-reflection and understanding that I'm having this struggle, and really just asking you guys for help. Let me know what you do to enter into your trades. Let me know what helps you get over that hump of just getting in the market, because I know for me it's just been a struggle, and it's just something that I'm still working towards. But it's crazy because it's like I can't back test my way to it, I can't study my way to it. It's like actually doing it is what's gonna help, and I know that, but it's still a really big struggle for me. So anything, everything you guys can think of, let me know in the comments. I would greatly appreciate it. So thank you guys, I really do appreciate it. Now let's get to the fun stuff. We're gonna just talk a little bit about this trade, and then I'm gonna leave it up to you guys to message me, you know, send me a comment, message me on Twitter, like just let me know, give me an article that I could read or something, or just like, I need help. So thank you. Now let's jump onto the charts. Perfect. We're gonna start on the daily time frame. So even though we took out these highs, we wanted to see the market continue to push higher into this daily high and then these weekly relative equal highs. I already like how the market has been playing out this week. So we had our Monday low here, we took it out on Tuesday and then expanded. So if we are having a weekly profile of expansion, we want to see Tuesday, Wednesday, and potentially Thursday trade into highs, and then Friday ultimately make a TGIF setup, or just kind of be done trading for the week on Tuesday, or Friday. So it's nice to see Tuesday play out, taking out those lows, moving higher, and then Wednesday moving higher. We did have CPI this morning, but just something to kind of look for. Let's drop down to the 1 hour. Perfect. So we traded higher yesterday off of this daily order block. I talked about that yesterday. And we moved higher. We kind of had this consolidation during London, which is expected, especially for CPI. But we did slightly trade into this 1 hour fair value gap. And the fact is we didn't even get to like that 25% of that 1 hour fair value gap. So before the market took off for CPI, and then I measured out this candle, which is kind of that swing that we had on CPI. I wanted to see the market trade down below 50% before getting back into a buy. And then of course we traded higher. So I'll go down to the 15. Awesome. So here's that swing. So I took this low to this high. We did eventually move down, creating that low at like 9:45 before moving higher. And even though we didn't get in a buy down here, I just didn't really see a setup that I liked. We waited for the market to give us an opportunity, and I'll show you on the lower time frames. So again, the 5 minute, we did take out this kind of swing low, so we had sell side liquidity taken while trading down into that 50%. So we're trading now in a discount. So we're looking for buys. We took out sell side liquidity, we're in a discount, we're looking for buys now. Again, we did take that trade just a little bit above that 50%, but that's all right considering we hadn't taken out our high right here or this swing high right here. So I still liked this trade, even though we were trading above that 50% level. Go down to the 1 minute now. Perfect. So we're back to our roots. We took this trade at 10:02. We had that small break of market structure on the 1 minute. Why did I like this break of market structure? Well, as you can see, this candle right here, it's kind of like a 1 minute order block. And then the fact that we actually closed above this candle body right here with this candle, I was looking forward to seeing it drop down into this fair value gap, respect this 1 minute order block, and then continue to push higher. And we see that the market does come down into that 1 minute order block and then closes there, but even trades down a little bit lower into that 1 minute fair value gap. So this was probably the most prime entry of the morning, considering we did continue to move higher and then into that buy side liquidity, the swing high, and now we're trading into daily highs and then potentially those weekly relative equal highs. So overall, really nice trade, really beautiful setup. and I couldn't take it. What the heck, right? So today I was just feeling down about it. I'm like, okay, I can see these I can see this form. I understand what I'm looking for, but I'm struggling with actually entering into the trade. So yeah, I was even thinking about not making a YouTube video today because I was feeling down, but then I realized like maybe somebody else is struggling with this, and it's good to talk about these things, especially because like it's been a struggle for me for a while. You guys know this, right? And like, yeah, it's just been a struggle for me, and I just wanted to let you guys know you're not alone if you're feeling this way. Also, I'm asking for help, so if you guys have any solution, if you have any tips that help you enter into your trades, let me know in the comments, let me know on Twitter. I would love to hear your input and essentially what you had to switch in your brain before you were able to enter into trades, because like for me, I feel like that's kind of the next step, is being able to enter into my trades and then manage risk. And it's been a hard step for me to overcome. So let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Again, I'm asking for your help. Please let me know. And yeah, I will talk to you guys soon. But that is it for me for now. I'm gonna go buy a book on this stuff because I just am stuck, I think. So awesome. Well, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Can't wait to hear your replies, and we will talk soon. Bye for now.